inversions of a chord is determined by which note of that chord is in the bass. So if we play a root position chord, let's say C major, we play C, the root is C, therefore this is a root position chord. Now, a normal triad consists of a first, a third, and a fifth from the root, which is C in this case. If we were to place the third degree of this chord in the bass, say here, and then play the chord, that would be a first inversion chord, the first inversion of C major. We could play it differently, like this. This is still a first inversion C major because E is in the bass. Now it doesn't matter how you arrange these three notes of the triad. You could play it like this. Okay. Or we could play it like this. Like this. Like this. As long as E in any octave is in the bass, that is a first inversion major chord. Okay. Now let's try in a different key. Let's say we have F major. First let's play F major root position, which is a normal triad. So we take F. If you don't know how to make or play a root position chord, please check out my video on root position major chords. So we play the first note of the chord, let's say F in this case. The second note is 1, 2, 3, 4 semitones up, A, and then from there 3 semitones up, 1, 2, 3, F major. Now this is a root position chord because the root, or F in this case, is in the bass. If it was here, it will still be root position. Now, as we mentioned earlier with C major, we just take the third degree, so this middle note of the chord, and we play that note in the bass. Let's say here. That is an F major first inversion chord. Okay. If we play A up here, that's still F major first inversion. Okay. We can play it anywhere as long as A remains in the bass. It's an F major first inversion chord.